Hi friends, let me show you my new ultrasonic tooth cleaner, but for our pets. This is for dogs. It has the the special accessory to clean your pet's teeth. It has a light if you need it. Okay, so here you put the battery. You charge it, USB-C, to the cable, and you get extra tips if you need to change them. You get the toothbrush for the dog's teeth, and you get some extra accessories here to clean your pet's mouth. So, I have 3 dogs, and I like to have them really clean and with their hygiene in their mouth. So I'm going to use it with them. Let's try it. Hi friends. I want to show you how you can use the ultrasonic tooth cleaner. It's maybe aimed for a vet. I am no certified vet, but you can get an idea how you can. First you have this special dog toothbrush. You could clean your pet's teeth with it. You have a mirror if you want to look at your pet's mouth. And when you want to use the cleaner, it has different settings: soft, comfort, standard, strong. When you turn it on, you don't feel anything. It will start working when it touches the teeth of your dog. So it will do the cleaning and the vibration when it touches something hard like this. Let me show you. You get all these accessories to clean your dog's teeth. So, I think it's great for a veterinary maybe, where they know exactly how to do this. Maybe they need to put anesthesia in the dog to be able to use these kind of accessories. Okay, so this is the ultrasonic tooth cleaner kit. Everything you need for your pet's tooth hygiene and health. Thank you.